So guys, hello, we are at the Computex right now and we're starting our first day with the visiting amazing booth of Cooler Master. Today with me is Alessandro Delfino and he will show me all the cool stuff, and not only to me but also to you. So you can see the new cases, cooling things and other things that probably soon may appear on our channel, and I will do some amazing builds for you.
My name is Alessandro, I am the PR manager for Cooler Master, and welcome in our booth. Follow me. So in this area you see big things. The second company of Cooler Master is named CMC, and where the magic starts. It means that every product, before to go into the retail market with Cooler Master that you know, goes into this kind of production. Is mostly business to business, and we work with other vendors like, for example, I can say Tesla, Nvidia, and so on. So it's very important for us because it's like the Formula One. Formula One, they develop the technologies and after will be in the market. Here is basically the same. So here you see some tools, this is inspection. Of course, it's using also AI to check if everything is fine with this cooler. Then here we see a big tank, so you see water cooling, and this is like expanded, 150 liters of cooling. Of course, it's for servers, and so servers can be liquid cooled, and this is one example, or air cooled like this one. So this is our brother company. Now let's come to retail. You probably know Cooler Master because of the coolers, so it's our DNA there. And ages ago, like 10 years ago, we developed these ones, like V8, V10, taking inspiration from the engine of the cars, the supercars. And now we are back with a technology that starts from these roots. The 3D HP. Here, in fact, you see a new V8. You see the concept is similar to the other, taking inspiration from the engine.
I like those elements,
yes.
Amazing. You know, my first thought when I saw this cooler, I have done many builds with adding some cars.
Here you see a normal cooler, and the heat pipes are the form of the V. We added a third one in the middle. In this way, the dissipation is more homogeneous, and you see that everything will be, all the heating will go, and without to keep a spot where it's not going it's still cold, let's say. Here is homogeneous and going out from the pipe. So this is a technology that is behind our cooler now. We move to FreeForm. Everything is totally customizable, modifiable. It's like a FreeForm because it's free. So it's not only adding some accessories, but inside there is a frame, and this frame can be really modified as you wish. The panels in the front can be changed like this, and as you see, the front panel can be modified as you like, so you can buy this as accessory with the shape of the wood or other materials.
So you buy a different one?
Yes.
It's not included everyone?
No, not all of them are included. Is the silver version, so I can mention the 600 mesh, the 500, and so these are the versions that will be marketed in Q3.
So it's like mini ITX or
yes.
mini.
Yes.
This is ATX standard,
yes,
and this is extended.
Okay. Yes, exactly. And the concept is the same. You can change whatever you want, modify also the rails, etc. So you see, this is really the DNA of Cooler Master. Everything started with the modding, and now is more for mass market, for everybody. Can really be a kind of modder without to have the skills. Then we move to our milestone, the Cosmos. Here you see the new version.
Yes. I think it would be one of the good starts for our collaboration.
I was thinking the same. Yes, this is also look at the internal part. Now I don't want to destroy this, but you see, totally different. These are still mock-up, so I don't know if there will be exactly these colors, but the shape
And these panels will be also included, or
Yes.
so you like cover everything.
Yes. In this case, yes. And you see the front is not sure if this. I think yes. This I don't know yet because maybe it's more good for Asian markets, etc. So depending, the color can be a little different. As I said, it's sure that the shape will be this. Maybe the colors not yet.
So
But the
it's
colors is
like
back.
both prototypes at this moment.
Yes. Yes, it's the first time that we show.
And when do you plan to release them on
End
the
of the
market?
year, so Q4.
End of the year.
Yes. And here, actually, is a nice surprise also at my eyes. The name is still Master Frame. This looks like a stage, as you see.
Very cool idea.
Yes,
I like this.
because you can add the action figure that you like,
Yes.
and or can be a car or whatever you like to show up with an LCD screen in the back.
Amazing.
Of course, in this
And
part,
plus these lights,
the
highlights.
lights, yes. Now there is a lot of
Very
light
cool.
on the top, but I think that the effect is very, very nice. Yes.
Like for a person, for example, who does some 3D models.
Bravo, exactly.
He can print on 3D printer. You
Yeah,
have also
yeah,
this?
yeah.
And then put it.
Absolutely, yes. So this you see the water cooling. Unfortunately, we cannot open, but it's pretty clear, I see.
Very clean build. I
Yes.
like it.
I agree with that. Then this is the same concept, only it's closed in the front.
But with the full
But
glass
the
panel.
idea is the same, so it's totally the same computer. Just as you see, you can modify as you wish. The name is
I
Cooling
like
X
it.
Pro. Yes.
I would definitely build both of them.
Yes.
Because they have different stylization.
Yeah,
Plus
different.
water cooling
Yeah.
heading, amazing. Or again, there's some statue here.
Yes, I totally agree with you. So this is also a nice surprise from our side. And here we come back to still freeform. So you see a cooler that's strange, a cooler in freeform. Yes, because Freeboard doesn't mean a specific product. Of course, everything starts from the case, but it can be a cooler if it can be modified. We have parts here of the Atmos 2 that can be, you see, added. Some also can be 3D printed, and we have monitors, we have everything, you see. So
It comes with a magnet,
Yes.
and you're just
Yes.
using three different styles.
Yes,
And
I don't do.
it's also prototype, yes?
Yes,
At this moment.
exactly. Yes.
And when you buy, you will probably select one of these types,
Yes.
with or without.
Exactly. We have the Cube. Cube is the second version, pretty popular because it was possible to add in these holes some accessories that you could 3D print. So if you wanted to have, for example, a cup for a coffee, you could really print and add here. If you want to charge a stand for the telephone, you could do. Or also a flower, like the beetle.
So like adding some accessories to
Yeah.
your taste, to your
Yes,
personal
exactly.
taste.
Here we have some power supplies, all high wattage from A700 and more. The particularity is they are fanless, so you don't have a fan here. There is not. Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's heavy.
Yes, it's heavy. Yes.
Very heavy, much more heavier than usually.
Yes, it's heavy, but you can also add in the front a fan if you need it. And then we have here the Master Hub. Yes, it's interesting because it's like a tool useful to control some software, or if you are a streamer, to open very quickly, only clicking a button, a program, etc. Yes, like that.
Oh, very, very pleasant,
yes,
like
the touch.
smooth,
the feeling,
smooth,
yes.
touch smooth.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, and you can press or...
Yes. And also here is customizable because you can take out parts, add another. So there are some included, other, for example, you see you could add here. Oh no, it's already. You want to, you do like that. Very easy, one click, go and back.
Will the software have an optimization for video editing?
Yes.
So like, for example, I am the hard video editor with Adobe Premiere.
Yes.
Can I customize it for?
Yes. You just click here and you open. You click one of these.
Like scrolling
Yes, exactly.
the timeline
Scroll,
and so
yes.
on.
Exactly.
And plus this is the monitor, so I can do the parameters here.
Absolutely, yes. Perfect. So here is our Elite series, so the entry level, but as you see also the quality here. Yes. So it's not like a cheap case, but they have also a nice design, like an aquarium in this case.
But what I have noticed, you started to do the custom cooling things for GPUs.
Not only, this is actually a VGA from Cooler Master, so it's really the VGA card. So it's not only the cooling part, okay, we have also, but this is our. The only limitation, let's say, is that we cannot sell alone, but must be included in a system. So it's for system builders who are already building up a full computer. We will not sell the fine in a shop, let's say. 5080, 5090, so the most two important are there. You see, it's basically 90% a cooler. Look how much is the dissipation in a VGA. Now. Now, welcome in the simulation, because Cooler Master is also inside this kind of market. This is the Dynx, so a complete full system, a full rig for professional or passionate about sim racing. And as you see, we develop pretty everything. There is also here the Master Hub. And there is not only the frame, but now we have other accessories. So this was already in the market, but this part is new. You see on the wall all the accessories that now are included and can be provided. So also motion actuator. So you have the real feeling, the vibration when you are driving, let's say. Or not only driving, also flying.
Flying?
Yes.
That's nice. Oh, yes. These are the motors, as I understand.
Yes, these are the actuator of the motion, yeah. Elite series, it's a classical from Cooler Master. It has more than 15 years ago old history, and we had a break for a few years, and now we are back. So you see that now the not so expensive computer can be also nice looking.
You know, these cases are the favorite ones, aquarium style cases are the favorite on my channel. So
yes, yes.
Like these builds, this probably something like this.
Yes. Yeah, they are very clean and you really, if you appreciate the RGB, etc., they are really top.
Plus the fans are really good looking.
Yes, yes. So at an affordable price, you can have something really fancy and good looking.
So guys, I hope this was an interesting excursion for you. You have seen all the new things that are coming from Cooler Master and probably some new good amazing builds this year are coming to our channel for you to see them, how they work, how they can be built. And thank you so much, Alessandro, for your help.
Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the Computex.
Thanks.